Hi, this is the question. Teams power user. Question is write a query to find two top two power users who send most message on Microsoft Teams in August 2022. Display the ID of these two users along the total number of messages sent. Output the result descending count. Okay, so descending count. And assumption no user has sent the same number of message in this set. So table is must ID, ready, receiver ID, content ID, send it, and this is that example input. So I have to found like uh, how many messages sent by per user, but top two in descending order. Okay, so this is the output. So from this output we are getting feeling that we have to use group by, because for individual center ID we have to count the message. When you have to count the message, it means we have to use some group by function here. That's why we are group by center ID. After group by, we know we have to count the message. Okay, the center ID is unique. Okay, so if I not unique, if that if when I group by is 601, so message count will be 2. But one condition is there, we can miss that date should be is August 2021. That should be in our condition section in my SQL query. That's why we are selecting center ID and counting that message after group by from a message. But we are apply where condition here. Where condition, what do we have to put? This condition where extract year from same date, this date is 22, and extract month from same date. August month is I think 8. 8 will be the August month. The number of the month is 8. So this is this will come in my query. So we have to apply this condition, because if we don't apply this condition, this will come, because this is not in August month. Only this and this in August month, but this message in not August month. If I group by only group by and count, so there is 3 messages, 1 2 3 for this sender 3601, but we are getting 2 because this message not sent in August. We are using extract function in POSTGRE SQL. If you are using MySQL, then I think we have to use ER function and month function here, and then we are doing simply group by and group by center ID, because if you want to count anything, we have to apply some group by function here. After grouping by, we can count this, and we have to order by also, because output result in descending order. Okay, descending order and count of the message. So that's why order by message message count. Message count is this one. This counts are we are getting a new column in the counts. We are creating a new column as a message count, and we will be order by the message count, and top two is, and we have to idea of this two user. Okay, only two user in descending order. That's why order by message count BSC limit 2. So first what we will do, first from here query will run, then apply this condition, then group by will done. After group by, we will select center ID and count star. Then after this column creation, we will be the query will be order by this column, and then we putting some limit condition. Limit 2 means top 2 rows will be shown by our query. तो इसमें हो क्या रहा है, हिंदी में बोल देता हूँ जल्दी जल्दी. इसमें हो क्या रहा है कि पहले क्या होगा कि हमें ग्रुप बाई करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बोला कि आपको पर काउंट पर for individual sender we have to count the message, but उसके लिए condition है कि पर यूजर, तो पर यूजर के लिए मुझे मैसेज काउंट करना पड़ेगा कितना यूजर कितना मैसेज सेंड किया, बट उसके लिए कंडीशन कि इस महीने में होना चाहिए, अगस्त 2022 में होना चाहिए, और मैसेज जितने ही मैसेज भेजेंगे उसका उसका मंथ होना चाहिए अगस्त 2022. दैट्स वाई we are putting the condition here that where extract year from this and extract month from this. So we are applying this condition, we are filtering those rows, those message uh, those message in this month, those message sent in this month. That's why we are filtering this those rows using this condition, because there is a condition in my question. Then what are we doing? Then after this filtering we will group by. Okay, group by what? Center ID, because you see that there is center ID. So this is that this is the center ID. So you have to use, this is the aggregator function, because they told us that the message count will be as a message count, name will be message count. So count star column name will be message count. So this is the count star is the aggregator function. We cannot use, this is the non-aggregator function. We cannot use aggregator function with non-aggregator function. Okay, so for that reason we have to group by. After group by this center ID, we can use this non-aggregator function with this aggregator function. So after group by center ID, what we will do? The query will select this. I am explaining how query will be executed. Okay. After this group by this center ID, and the SQL engine will select the center ID and this message count. After this selection is done, then order by will happen. Okay. Then those order by DSC and limit to is for top two rows. So first query will run from here, from message, then this condition will apply on this table, message table, that we need those rows who are in this date. After this query extraction, after this row extraction is done with this row, with this condition, सेंटर आईडी और जो काउंट कॉलम क्रिएट होगा. ओके, इसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, सॉरी, तो दिस एक्सट्रैक्शन ग्रुप बाई चलेगा. ग्रुप बाई चलने के बाद क्या ये चलेगा, सेंटर आईडी और जो काउंट स्टार सेलेक्ट करेंगे, ये हम सेंटर आईडी काउंट से सेलेक्ट करेंगे, ये जो हम एक कॉलम नेम दे रहे हैं मैसेज काउंट से क्या करेंगे. इसके बाद ऑर्डर आफ्टर दिस कॉलम क्रिएशन डन, तो जो ऑर्डर बाई मैसेज काउंट होगा, then DSC limit 2, then we have to use DSC limit 2. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I will upload all data lemur SQL question in this YouTube channel. Premium question I will solve it, because I don't have premium, but I have one friend who has premium, so I'll use this credential and I'll solve all the questions. So stay tuned in my channel. Thank you.